time I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time, let's hop in straight into the charts. But guys, before I begin, I want you guys to watch this video to the end because I'm going to be sharing very important information, and I'm also going to be sharing certain coin patterns with you all. Okay, so watch this video to the end. Do not rush because you are going to learn a lot from this video. So guys, before I hop into the charts, I want to share this coin with you all. Now, I shared this coin in my channel and I told my members that they should purchase this coin because this coin is going to hit $1,000. Guys, if this coin is listed on Binance, this coin is going to hit $1,000. I gave my premium members this coin when it was below $500. It was around $492 to $493. And guys, today this coin has hit $600. And right now it is retracing. Guys, this coin is heading to $1,000. Listen, this is why you need to connect with the Crypto Prophet. Look for ways and connect with me. Come and change your financial story. This is what I have to tell you. So guys, let's take a look at the charts and let's see what the charts hold for us. The US dollar, guys, I told you, I said this time the US dollar is facing a critical area of resistance, and for the past months, and it's more than a year, the US dollar has been battling with this area of resistance. And I told you guys, I said there is a high possibility that the dollar can break out of here, and if it breaks out of this area, this is going to affect the stock market, which would in turn affect Bitcoin. Go and watch that video. I'm the Crypto Prophet. You see, what I share with you, the information that I share with you, my viewers, you will not find this information easily out there. This is what I need you all to understand. Go and check. Many of the persons you see coming out on YouTube to speak, majority of them, they don't know what they are saying. They just speak because they are after views. They speak because they are after subscribers. They tell you what you want to hear. They tell people what they want to hear. They tell them sugar-coated words just to attract them to subscribe and all that. But you see, the Crypto Prophet does not have that time. As a matter of fact, I even run away from people. I'm not after people. That's my type of person. I'm only doing this just because I just want to help. It's not because of anything else. Okay, so this is why I came out and I told you all, I said, watch out. I gave you that analysis. And now let's hop into more charts and check exactly what's happening. Now, this is the dollar chart, guys. The last video that I produced, I told you all, I said if the dollar breaks out of this area of resistance, expect the stock market to react. And if the stock market reacts, expect Bitcoin to react as well. And guys, the dollar broke out of here yesterday. And you see that the dollar is very bullish. I told you all, I said, let's go back to this. I told you guys something. I told you guys something very important. I told you that the dollar battled with this area in the year 2022. It could not break. It dropped. It came up again, battled with this same area in the year 2023. It could not break. It dropped. Now, in the year 2024, it is battling with this same area, guys. Year 2024, and if it can't break out of here, it will drop. But if it breaks out, that is gonna be bad news for the stock markets. I told you guys this in my last video, and you see these areas are calculations. These are my calculations. This is why I'm able to know. You see all these trend lines I've drawn here. These lines are not for fancy. These are all calculations from the Crypto Prophet, and this is why my analysis is always very accurate, because I'm the Crypto Prophet. So guys, I told you all that if the dollar breaks out of here, expect the stock market to react this time. And I told you that this time it is different. Why? Because we had a golden cross here. So even though from other in the past, even though the dollar has been encountering resistance here, this time may be different because we are having a golden cross and it is looking bullish. And we see here that the dollar broke out of this region here to the dismay of the stock market, and the stock market got affected. So let's take a look at the stock market, guys, so that you all would understand exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the S&P 500. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. So guys, you see that because of the breakouts of the dollar, you see that the stock exchange market is encountering a form of resistance on this red line that I drew here. This is also a calculation. Okay, the stock market opened yesterday. It could not break out of this red line because of the strength of the dollar. And we see here that the stock market dropped. Guys, listen, my videos are very educative. If you follow the crypto prophets, you will never be confused because I'm going to show you secrets that you're not going to find out there. This is why you need people like the crypto prophets. So take a look at this, guys. The stock market dropped by 0.66%. Just imagine the small percentage of drop. But now let's take a look at Bitcoin and see. Guys, watch this video to the end because this video is very educative. This video is going to teach you what you do not know. So ensure you watch this video to the end. The stock market dropped by 0.66%. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Guys, look at the effect of Bitcoin. Look at the effect on Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropped by approximately 7%. Can you see this? 7% drop because the stock market was affected by just 0.66%. Go and watch my video. I told you all. I said Bitcoin is a parabolic asset. So Bitcoin responds more faster than the traditional markets, and this is why Bitcoin is very volatile. This is why crypto is very volatile. So whenever you see me coming out to give you an admonition, I'm coming out to give you a warning, I'm coming out to tell you this, coming out to tell you that, you need to take my words very serious, you know. So guys, what I want to tell you all is this. Let's check out what happened with Bitcoin counting from the 25th of March. Remember, I gave you guys a prophecy. I said I see dates and I mentioned 25th of March 2024. I said counting from the 25th of March 2024, Bitcoin is going to start dropping. This is why I'm a prophet. Go and watch my videos and see that prophecy. I was specific. Listen, guys, this is the video. I've given many prophetic words about the crypto space that has come to pass. Go and watch this video. The crypto prophet. Take note of the following dates the oracle has spoken. Watch this video. Watch this other one as well. You're going to see, you're going to hear me prophesy. I call dates, I call time. This is why I am called the crypto prophet. I'm not called the crypto prophet for nothing. I'm not called the crypto prophet for child's play. It's not a title. It's a lifestyle. I'm a prophet. So guys, let me show you all something that is going to surprise you. Okay? Because the spirit does not lie. I hear clearly from the spirit of crypto. You can't find what I do easily. That's the truth. Okay, you can't find it. Now guys, look at this. This is the 25th of March. Okay, I want you all to observe something very important that I want to share with you all. Observe something and know how accurate my prophecy was. Now, Bitcoin started pumping from the 20th. Mind you, I called some dates prior to this date. Okay, let's not go to that, but let's focus on this. Bitcoin started pumping from the 20th of March. We pumped, dropped down, pumped again. But now, guys, observe. When we entered into the 25th of March, it was as if Bitcoin was poured cold water. Bitcoin stopped pumping. We just started seeing consolidation. This is consolidation. Look at it. Consolidation. It's not going up, it's not coming down. Just consolidation. All the vibes ended on the 25th of March, as prophesied by the Cryptoprophet. Listen, this shows you that I'm not fake. I'm not acting. I'm not faking this. I'm not copying from anywhere. Ask yourselves this question. Why is it that from the 25th of March, Bitcoin just started dropping? Look at, from March 25th, look at it. It started dropping, dropping, dropping. We had this drop. It tried to rebound, could not. Dropped again. Tried to rebound, could not. Now dropped again. Why have we just been having consolidation, confusion from the 25th of March? This tells you I'm a prophet, because I would call the dates and the time for you. You may not see what I'm seeing. Sometimes if that date comes, you may not even see the pattern that I've seen already. But you're going to notice that after that date, you would see it clearly, confirming that truly I know what I'm doing. This is why you don't need to joke with the crypto prophets. So now, let me give you all the next prophecy. I just want to help you. I've spoken about the 8th, the 22nd of April. 8th of April, 22nd of April. Counting from those dates, observe and see what is going to happen. Bitcoin is going to start pumping from those dates. Counting from those dates, the oracle has spoken. You see, guys, go and watch that previous video. I said something. I said, when you're following the crypto prophets, you need to have a very high level of understanding. If not, you are just going to get confused if you're following me. You need to have a very high level of understanding and sensitivity to be sensitive and follow what I tell you. Because what I tell you is sure going to come to pass, regardless of the timing. This is what I need you all to understand. So now, I told you all in my last video, I said whatever price Bitcoin is in, when we get to those dates, you will just start observing changes after those dates. And if you need other dates, you need to follow me. You need to look for ways and join my inner circle so that you can get access to those secrets, because it's not everything I come here to share. I don't come here on YouTube to share everything. This is why I have a channel, I have an inner circle. I remember I told you all, I said that in my channel, before my channel, my general channel was free. It was free for everybody to join, but right now it's not free anymore. You need to be in my inner circle to have access to the general channel. So people who had access to the general channel back then, they are the ones who are lucky, because right now my channel is not open. It's the general channel is not open. This tells you I'm not after people. The crypto prophet is not after people. Where are you going to see this? You know, a lot of people that give analysis in crypto, they create channels that are open to the public. They will post their channel links on YouTube, on Twitter, everywhere. Join my channel, my free channel. But in this case, I don't care. And it's because I have the real thing. You know, so what I need you all to understand is this. Those dates I mentioned, counting from those dates, you would see Bitcoin begin showing signs of strength. This is how you're going to know that I'm a real prophet. And I don't need to prove anything to you because already my track record is mind blowing. That's the truth. I didn't just start this. I'm a grandmaster in the crypto space. I'm a grandmaster. When I speak with authority. I speak with accuracy. I do what a normal human being would not do by going as far as calling dates. I tell you on these dates, this is what wants to happen. On these dates, this is what wants to happen. Take note of this, take note of that. You can't find these things on YouTube. You can't find these things easily. So I don't need to prove anything to you. Whether you believe me or you don't believe me, it doesn't change the fact that I speak and it comes to pass, and that people who follow me, they end up benefiting at the end of the day. So I don't need to prove anything to you. So counting from the 8th of April, 22nd of April, watch out and see. I also see the 17th of June. I see the 17th of June. And if I want to go further in prophecy, I am seeing the 2nd of December 2024. Listen, we have not even crossed into June. We are still in April. I'm speaking about June. Mind you, we were in the month of March. I spoke about the month of June. We are not even in the month of September. Talk more of October. Talk more of December. And I'm already telling you about the month of December. 2nd of December. Listen, I am the crypto prophet. Anyhow you want it, all you need is an encounter with me. If you're close to me, just forget it. This is a financial journey. Look for ways and connect with the crypto prophets. Okay? Because I'm gonna put money in the hands of a lot of people through the crypto space. I've done it before. It's by the grace of God, because I acknowledge God in whatever I do. Okay, so this is not going to be an exception. This is going to be a life-changing opportunity. God wants to bless people from the crypto space. Okay, and I'm one of those people that he has put the keys in his hands. I have keys to certain mysteries that you're not going to find easily. So look for ways and connect with the crypto prophets. Now guys, let me share something else very important with you all before I end this video. There are more than 173 calculations inside this green line you see here. And I completed this project 1 day ago. I successfully completed this project. So guys, this line you see here represents the cycle of Bitcoin. I derived 173 calculations, embedded them just inside this line. This line here carries the complete cycle for Bitcoin. This is why you need to fear the crypto prophets. I derived this formula from the formula for pi. You know, I'm also a maths genius as well, so I was able to come out with this calculation. This represents the cycle of Bitcoin. So guys, anytime Bitcoin touches this line here, okay, there is always a reaction. And from my calculation, we are yet to touch this line. Okay, we're yet to touch this line. So there is still a potential upside for Bitcoin, but once we touch this line here, then there is a problem. This is what I want you all to understand. So from the broader view, we still have some more upsides to go, but once we touch this line, guys, there's a problem. And this can also help us predict the timing for the recession coming to the United States to get into full enforcement. Now mind you, you're not going to find this anywhere else outside the channel of the Crypto Prophet. I have the keys to this. This is my invention. This is my calculation. So guys, let me take Let me take you guys into what this represents. I want you to take note of this. Bitcoin touched this line here on the 1st of October 2018. It touched this line here, came close to it approximately on the 1st of May 2022. So let's check the Bitcoin charts and see. Let's check the reactions and see what happened. So guys, can you see this? Can you see that we had a major drop? Look at this. We also had a major drop here. Now, anytime we touch these lines, it is an indication that we are heading towards the bottom of the market. A lot of persons, I know a lot of persons are looking for this. They're looking for something like this. So guys, we are still far, we are still months away from touching this line. Okay, and I want you guys to observe something. Anytime we touch here and we rise up, there is a reaction. We touch here, we rise up, there is a reaction. Let's take a look at it and see. Anytime we touch here and we rise up, Bitcoin always rises before completing. It rises before completing its cycle. So when that line rises, Bitcoin rises as well. When that line bottoms and it comes up again, Bitcoin rises as well. Now, I completed this particular calculation 1 day ago and I've finished it. So right now we still have more room to touch this line, guys. So this is why I also told you that we should expect some more upsides in the days to come before having a correction. So guys, whatever pump you see for Bitcoin is most likely gonna be its last in the months to come. It is most likely gonna be its last, ushering us into another market bottom. So this is what I want you all to understand. You're not going to find this line anywhere else outside the channel of the Crypto Prophet. And this is not just a normal line. This is 173 calculations embedded inside here to give you this line here, all the way from this point 2014 into this point. So for 3,623 days, you have this line here formed by the Crypto Prophet. Listen, the Crypto Prophet always has new inventions, new innovations. This is why it is very, very difficult for you to compete with me, because I always bring out new discoveries, new inventions every time. And I can also call dates and tell you the time to expect a particular event to unfold, detect charts, detect patterns, tell you this is where the market is heading to, tell you this particular pattern, this particular chart, this particular occurrence, if it happens, this is the reaction it is going to produce. This is why you need people like the Crypto Prophets. So I would keep you updated, guys. I would keep you posted. Let me share a particular coin pattern with you before I end this video. Alright guys, so for those of you who are always fond of buying coins as soon as they are launched, or you just see a coin that is launched and you quickly buy it with the hope that that coin is going to appreciate, I actually have a word of admonition for you. I would advise that you always wait for coins to form a certain pattern and show signs of life before you hop into them or before you buy them. You see, in the channel of the Crypto Prophets, we don't just come and give analysis or come and encourage you to buy this and buy that, but we also give you advice, though we are not financial advisors. And please, I'm going to tell you this, do not follow what I tell you. Make your own research and do your own findings, make your own findings before you enter into anything coming from this channel, because the Crypto Prophet is not a financial advisor. So I want to tell you all this, and I just want to give you this word of caution. Don't always rush into buying coins without allowing them to actually create certain patterns that would determine if they're going to stand the test of time. Forget about anything you see out there that people tell you, oh, buy this coin, you're missing out. Oh, this coin is heading to $1. If you don't buy it now, you're missing out. Listen, lots of persons have bought coins like this. And at the end of the day, such coins do not actually make it. And it's very frustrating. So it is better you wait and actually understand the pattern a coin is forming, understand its structure before you venture into that token. So this is what I want to advise everyone. Though it's not, I'm not telling you to take my advice, it's left to you. Now, can you see this coin in front of you guys? This coin has a high possibility of hitting $1. Now, let me explain. This coin began from this point, started rising, had a retracement, had a correction, rose again, broke this line. Let's color this line to yellow. So we see here that this coin has touched this yellow line multiple times. It touched here again. And right now, this coin has also touched this line as well, this other yellow line as well. Or let's make this green. This coin touched this line here, this green line here, touched it here, before having an encounter with this yellow line again and then having a correction. I'm showing you a pattern. This coin has a high possibility of hitting $1, guys, and this is the right time to begin trading this token. Now, this line here goes all the way. Let's color this with blue. This blue line here goes all the way back to the beginning of this coin. It also acted as a form of support here, acted as a form of resistance here, acted as a form of resistance here. So guys, currently this coin is trading within this range. This coin is trading within this range. And this coin has encountered this area of support and broken it. This green line that acted as support here, acted as support here, acted as support here, acted as support here, acted as support here. It has broken this area of support and it is currently coming back to retest this line. Let's change this line to this color. So guys, you see here that this coin currently is coming down to retest this line here. So this is where this coin is heading to. This coin will definitely come and touch this yellow line. And from this point to where this yellow line is, gives you roughly 216%. And now guys, I also want to tell you this. This coin is not just going to end in this yellow line. It will surely come up and touch this blue line here. It will come up and retest this blue line here. And from this price up to this blue line gives us close to 1000%. And that places this coin at approximately $1.04. So this coin has a high possibility of hitting $1, guys, because of this pattern, because of this structure that it has formed. Can you see this structure? This is a very beautiful structure. So for people who bought this coin here, I don't care. People who bought here, I don't care. I am concerned about from this point because it has formed a pattern signifying and showing that it is having signs of life to continue. So you see, in crypto, it's not just about who is the first person, but it's about who is the one that actually makes the sustainable money. It's not just about making money in crypto, but making money that is sustainable. So from this price, this coin is good to purchase because this coin here is going to head up to $1 in the future. So anyone who purchases this coin at this point, you are sure of making at least 1000% from here. and 1,000% from here is times 10 of your money. So imagine putting in $1,000 into this coin and forgetting about it. Guys, in future, your $1,000 is going to turn to $10,000. Very good investments. Sure, safe investments. And if it drops further, you are still going to make more money. Okay, so from this point, guys, as this coin is dropping, I would advise everybody to be buying it as it's dropping, because this coin is going to head to $1, bringing back times 10 to times 12 of your money in the future. Signed by me, the Crypto Prophets. So if you need this token, send an email to us and we are going to give you the details on how to get across to our premium group to get this information, because our premium members are going to get this information. I'm also going to be sharing with you another coin that would exceed its all-time high. Let's take a look at the charts. This is what I want you all to understand. Now, I shared this coin with my premium members, and I gave them this coin at this point. This coin is already showing signs of life. I gave them this coin at this point because it has formed a very lovely pattern and a very lovely structure. So I gave my premium members this coin at this price, and I told them to buy this coin and hold it, because this coin is going to take out its all-time high based on the structure. So for those of you that are always fond of buying coins, you buy coins anyhow, because someone on Twitter or someone on Facebook said buy, without giving you the reason why you should buy that token. I want to tell you today that it is very, very wrong. You buy coins based on the pattern and the structure and the technical analysis that actually determines where they are heading to. So if a coin is heading to $1, the pattern would show you. If a coin is heading to its all-time high and to take it out, the pattern will also show you. If a coin is heading to just pump, the pattern is also going to show you. And this is why you need people like the Crypto Prophets, because my coins are always in categories. I have the ability to distinguish one coin from another. You cannot just bring a coin to me, the Crypto Prophet, and tell me this coin is going to do like this and I will listen to you. No, I would look at it and detect where that coin is heading to. So if a coin is going to hit $1, I will tell you. If a coin is not going to hit $1, I will tell you. If a coin is going to pump, I will tell you. If a coin would exceed its all-time high, I will tell you. Come to think of it, I can call dates, I can call time. So somebody who can mention dates, call time, tell you about the future, then what is that thing that is hidden from that person? So guys, this coin is going to exceed its all-time high. And from this price to its all-time high is around 76 to 80%. And guys, this coin is not just going to exceed its all-time high. This coin is going to pump. I'm telling you, this coin is going to pump, guys. This coin would pump. So anybody who gets it at this range is very lucky. If you're able to get this coin at this range and hold it, you are lucky, because when this coin pumps, it will bring you very good profits. This coin is going to pump, guys. Don't be surprised in the future if you see this coin at this price. Don't be surprised if in the future you see this coin break out of this price range. Let's calculate the percentage from here up to here at around 196% approximately, and it would also exceed. I'm giving you projections, guys. I'm giving you projections, okay? Though it is still very early, but I tell you nothing but the truth, guys. This coin is gonna pump. This coin would pump, guys. I'm telling you, this coin is gonna pump. If you get this coin at this point, just be guaranteed of 1,002%, close to 2,000 to 3,000% from here. The best time to buy this coin is now. Buying it and keeping for the future. Then as it climbs up, you're buying it, you're scalping it, you're scalping it, you're scalping it as it's climbing. Guys, this is the opportunity to buy this coin. This coin is going to make a pump. So anyone who buys it right now is 100% safe, because you're buying it at a very early price. So the choice is yours. If you need information on this coin, fine, contact the Crypto Prophets, send us an email, and you're going to get information on how to join any of our groups and get these coins. Guys, my coins do not fail. Go and watch my YouTube video, okay? Watch my YouTube video, guys. Look at, I spoke about coins. Check this out. I spoke about coins here. This coin, look at it. Go and watch my videos. Look at how my prophecies are coming to pass. I speak about coins, guys. If you're in my channel, you would understand what I'm talking about. If you're in my channel, guys, you would understand exactly what I'm talking about, okay? I speak about coins and my coins come to pass. My coins pump, my coins are in categories. Those who are following me, who actually see these coins that I post, as they purchase them, they actually get results, guys. Listen, the time to make money is now. Look for ways and connect with the crypto prophets. So guys, let's take a look at the S&P 500 before I end this video. Let's take a look at something very important with the S&P 500. All right, so let's switch back to the daily charts. I want you guys to take note of something very, very important. All right, guys, so if you take a look at the S&P 500, you're gonna observe something. There's something I need you all to observe in the S&P 500, okay? Now, the S&P 500 is actually very clustered, like the price is just clustering around this area here, okay? The price is currently, you know, just going within this area here, and we are expecting a breakout. So guys, if the S&P 500 pumps and touches this green line and it exceeds this green line, that is really going to make Bitcoin go parabolic, okay? This is what I want you all to understand. But if the S&P 500 breaks below this line here and comes down to this white line, that would cause Bitcoin to really drop. But before I end this video, please take note of my words. Do not use the S&P 500 or do not use this chart that I show you to determine the direction of Bitcoin. This is an advice and a word of admonition coming from the crypto prophets. For you to do that, you need to be experienced, because it is not every time that the traditional markets follows the crypto space. This is what I need you all to understand. There are times that the traditional markets can go parabolic and the crypto space would be dormant. There are times that the crypto space can go parabolic, decoupling itself from the traditional markets. So nothing is constant. So anytime you see me coming out to talk about the stock market, the Nasdaq, the Russell, the Dow, the US dollar, the euro, the VIX, when you hear me talking about most of these traditional markets and speaking about the crypto space, I am doing that out of experience. I'm not doing guesswork. So for you to really understand how this thing works, you need experience, you need years of experience. And this is what makes the crypto prophets very unique, because the crypto prophet does not just understand the crypto space, but he has a very deep understanding of the stock exchange markets. This is why I am a professional of professionals. So thank you so much, guys. Get across to us, and we're going to attend. The agent is going to answer you through our email. Let's wait for the market and let's see the next reaction. I look up to seeing you in the next video. God bless you. Take care from the Crypto Prophets.